Hello everyone, how are you? I'll introduce a new toy to you today. Locking Sevanda Nautilus MChastity cage. First, you can see it is equipped with 10 different sizes of rings. When wearing, can choose suitable size for their own. Insert the clasp into the cage. Lock it with a small lock. You're done wearing it. Use the key to pull the lock out when you open it. The key size also fits with our Kiwi key pod, which can realize remote storage of keys. Each product comes with one PCS silicone catheter plug and one PCS silicone cover. You can choose to use it according to your needs. I can just pull it off and replace it with another accessory. Let's look at how it works. You can see a circular button on this side of the cage. Hold it for 2 seconds and see the light flicker. Indicates successful startup, and then click again. Go into shock mode. Click to switch to another shock mode. You can also use a remote control bracelet. Press the shocks and to switch steam frequencies. There are 9 shock modes. After the cage is on, the bracelet will automatically enter the standby state. Long press the switch button on the bracelet or cage for 2 seconds again, and it will turn off the toy. The bottom of the clasp, and the inside of the cage, and the plug on the front. It's the 3 shocks and zinc points of the chastity lock. Charging using magnetic portable USB socket. Please do not use it while charging.